Assalamualaikum and hi there, my name is Aisyah.
My name is Aqilah.
My name is Aqilah and I'm presenting SMK Tarcisian Convent in Young Scientist Competition and my team is Scientist Wizards.
Hi, my name is Auni Qistina. So now I will introduce you to our project background. The first instance of modern robotics occurred in 1948 when George Devo and Joe Engelberger created a mechanical arm. The idea of an autonomous tracking robot is relatively new technology. Robots have been around for decades and recent developments in microcontroller technology allow exploration into autonomous tracking robots. Since the fourth industrial revolution is expected to change how we live, work, communicate with the designed Y2020 robot. This project targeted people with physical disabilities, especially for the golden citizen.
Our team considered 5 particulars before writing the problem statement. First, how things should work.
Every people should be treated equally, include the disabilities by empowering them in the field related to economic, employment and education based on the various parts of the SDG.
What is the problem with the normal practice?
Difficulty in lifting heavy objects such as groceries and tools in their daily life cause the muscles in their back strain as it is beyond what they can handle and end up with a herniated disc.
What is the solution for the problem arise?
Robot Y 2020 was designed to assist physical disabilities individuals in transporting materials and heavy objects for a better life.
What are the benefits of the solution?
It can increase efficiency, productivity and improve safety for the physical disability individual.
And what is the conclusion?
The Y2020 robot increased the quality of life for the physical disability individual by transporting materials and heavy objects.
We write our objective of the project based on the SMART criteria which are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound.
The objective of our project is to assist the physical disability individual to carry heavy objects for a better life.
This is the Gantt chart which represents our plan and work for this project that lasted for 5 weeks. On week 1, we plan to participate in this competition. Thus, we form a group and sit together to find the issues in our environment. Our teacher, Puan Fazila, advised us to study about the Sustainable Development Goal. From there, we write the abstract.
We are doing some discussion for this project and finally found a solution for this problem.
On the second week, we work on the project based on prior research done by the developer. We read from the numerous platform research and choose critically the methodology of this project. The team members agree that the project must be within budget and we must be able to finish the project within the time frame. On the third week, we write the proposal order file and begin to build the prototype. On the fourth week, we make the video of our project and upload it in the YouTube. And the final report, which is in the 5th week, is the preparation for our video presentation.
There are 3 significance of this project. First, to develop digital literacy skills in society. Second, to reduce the workload. And last but not least, to implement the smart cities for a better future.
Digital solution for a more livable future. Robot Y 2020 is one of the smart city solutions which improve the quality of life. As the city gets smarter, they become more livable and become more responsive.
Redefine the role of work in our lives. Work done will be reduced. Thus, less energy intake is required for a person. Energy will be saved in terms of doing heavy workload, which can negatively affect your physical health and productivity.
The Y2020 robot developed digital literacy skills for students in schools. Education will promote digital literacy through improvement of Y2020 robot by research and development. More additional features such as camera, more sensors, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB will eventually increase the research spectrum of this innovation.
The physical disabilities people, especially golden citizens, face difficulty in lifting heavy objects such as groceries and tools in their daily life. If they insisted to carry it will cause the muscles on their back strain, as it is beyond what they can handle and could end up with herniated discs. Hence, our robot Y2020 was designed to help older people to carry heavy objects. The function analysis system technique or FAST diagram is an effective method used to determine the essential tasks a system is required to accomplish. Reading the FAST diagram shows in this slide from left to right and top to bottom shows how the relationship is related to the task. By using this method, it was much easier to create conceptual designs and visualize how components will interact with one another. There are several factors that contributed to the conceptual design for the autonomous robot Y2020. The cost and time frame were large factors that influenced the design as well as the appearance and maneuverability.
An ultrasonic sensor is the method of communication and is capable to detect objects. And the motors mentioned before will follow the objects by tracking its movement. These sensors are used to measure the distance of the tracked object and to avoid the collision with the surrounding.
For this project, all the processing is carried out by the Arduino Uno. It will sense any human movements by using an ultrasonic sensor and two infrared sensors that we included, and it will interpret the instructions in the Arduino Uno. Thus, it will produce a response by moving and following the human movements in any directions.
Sensor. One of the crucial aspects of this project is the detection of not only the marked target but other objects in the surrounding as well. Because of this wide area that an object can be in, it is important for the prototype to have a range finding sensor that has a wide detection array as well. This is the reason that the design team chose to use ultrasonic sensor placed in front of the robot.
The microcontroller chosen for this project is the Arduino Uno, and it can easily be powered by connecting to the batteries. Next, the motor shield used is a L293 Arduino compatible motor shield. The size of the board is nearly the same as the Uno and stacked on the top of the Arduino.
First, promote automation in smart cities. Y2020 robot to be used in supermarket or stores for a start as mentioned in its commercial values.
Reducing the workload, increase efficiency, productivity, and improve safety for the physical disability individual, thus saving energy.
Serve the community by achieving the component in SDG. The Y2020 robot increased the quality of life through the advancement in society, especially for the physical disability individual.
Assalamualaikum and hi there! We hope you enjoy watching this video.
As for me, I really enjoy watching this video, and I would like to ask our team member Auni. So Auni, how do you feel conducting this activity even though there are many obstacles?
We enjoy participating in this Young Scientist competition because we can gain new knowledge even though MCO took place, which made us unable to gather in one place. But we can still overcome this problem by meeting virtually on platforms such as Google Meet. But as easy as it looks, it actually challenged our teamwork on discipline and time management.
Yes, true. This is a real life problem solving that we learned from this project.